Well, today I had the opportunity to finally get to the EmSphere Mall, the newest shopping mall in Bangkok. It opened December 1st, 2023, with almost 221,000 square feet. This place is massive. So upon entry, you will see an amazing food court that has just about every possible food type you would want. That carries on to the second floor as well. So if you need to get something to eat and you're in the Pong area, this is definitely a great option for you. So I think one of the highlights for me was absolutely the auto show area, which is up on the third floor above the food courts, and you are greeted by many manufacturers, Maserati being a call out, and of course Porsche being one of my favorites. And they don't disappoint with a Taycan, a Panamera, and a Carrera Turbo S, which is the first time I've had an opportunity to see one of those up close, and it certainly didn't disappoint. What a beautiful car. While Porsche might be the star of the show, there were other manufacturers there as well. Lotus had a good showing, a Land Rover, as well as several other manufacturers, Volvo and Toyota. The big thing here is IKEA, a full-blown IKEA here, multi-story, just like what's available in the US. Very, very impressive, including the food court that you see in every IKEA as well.